So my name is Łukowski. I will be your guide and host. Welcome, everyone. I'm really excited to have a pleasure to open our second edition of SONiC Workshop. I'm sure that it will be soon quite busy here. Last year, after a few minutes, we had more like 100 attendees, and I hope that this time it will be even better. Once again, welcome. Let's start. So today we will focus on really exciting news coming from the open networking world. If we will take a look on our experts, we have, I will say, the top players from the open networking world. I see, of course, there are a couple of friends. I have a pleasure to be in that industry from 2014. First, we will see our Larry, then a couple of experts from the Net Innovation Solution. As you can see, there is a few gentlemen. I remember that a year ago, we've been a little bit struggling to fulfill the agenda, but this year we've been struggling to really keep it tight and still be able to fulfill with just more or less 4 hours time. If we will go to the details, this is how today we will run. So I have just a pleasure to open it. I will not take too much of your time, but right away we will go to the topic presented for Larry Ho from Edcore Networks. But what you can expect today? Definitely you will discover a lot which is happening in open networking. I'm sure that you will learn even more. Hopefully, by the end of some topics, you will also understand, much more. We will be witnessing a lot of open source innovation. I'm sure that will be something really exciting. There are some colleagues who are working on a few open source projects which are strictly related to the SONiC project. I don't want it to take more of the time. I'm sure that you already saw our mascot of that event. So use SONiC, you must. We have a really great marketing team who are doing an excellent job. I will tell you more when you can get that, but they are just behind the corner. And it is always, funny when we are on some meetings with some partners and customers, and on our laptops we said we have that big use SONiC, you must, and most of them are ex Cisco, Juniper. It's always bringing me some smile. So let me then invite our first person, Larry Ho. Big applause to Larry.